Hey you guys, so today's video is going to be on this patriotic themed makeup tutorial. I've actually never done something like this on my channel, and I got a beautiful request to do one, and so that is what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you guys step by step on how I got this entire look. This was honestly a super last minute look. I just realized that Memorial Day is this weekend, and I was like, it's like the perfect time. And I was literally in the shower while I was coming up with this look, and I actually love the way that this entire look came out, and I actually think I may wear it for Memorial Day. So I hope you guys like this tutorial, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Before you guys head out, please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you guys are up to date when I post. And otherwise than that, let's get into this.
Hey you guys, so we're going to do a voiceover just because I was kind of winging it with this look, so I didn't know what I was doing yet, so I wanted to make sure that I had full concentration. So the very first thing we're going to start off with is our brows. I'm going to be taking the BECCA brow from Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm just going to be doing my brows. Nothing crazy here, just my normal brow routine. So we're going to start off with primer, and I'm actually using a new primer. I know. This here is a 24-hour Shadow Insurance by Too Faced, and I'm just kind of patting that in. And we're going to start off with the very first shadow. We're just going to be taking a cream shadow just to set that primer, because it was a little bit runny, and I think it's just because I've had it for so long. I needed to kind of bubble, kind of blend it together. But anyways, it worked out perfectly fine. So we're going to be taking the BACKTALK palette. This is by Urban Decay, and we're going to start off with this rosy shade. I kind of wanted to keep it warmer because I knew the eyeshadow I was working with was going to be a warmer shadow. So we're just going to take that all over the eye, and my plan is to do kind of an all over eye look. So I am taking that color from outer corner to inner corner. Then I'm just going to keep going a little bit deeper, and I'm just going to deepen that crease a little bit more. I wanted a little bit more depth, so I actually ended up going in with the Kat Von D palette in this chocolate brown and putting it right in the crease right at the top, but honestly it really didn't do anything, so you can kind of skip this step. So now we're going to go in with the Kristen Leanne and Urban Decay palette. This one is a very vibrant palette, so I was really excited to play around with this, and I'm going to be taking that vibrant blue, and I'm just going to be packing it on. I did use MAC Fix Plus to apply this, but the shadow comes off really nicely even without. Now we're just going to go in and kind of blend those edges out, and you might have to go in with a little bit of that shimmery blue to kind of just blend everything out, but eventually it will blend out. It was a little bit of work to blend out though. So now that we have everything blended out, we are going to go in with that deeper blue. This again was just kind of winging it, and I'm just going to pack it on the outer corner and the inner corner of the shadow, and I loved the dimension that this gave. So just going to pack it on. Again, this one I did not use MAC Fix Plus because I felt like it worked out really well. Then we're just going to take that shimmery white and pack it right in the center. This shadow, I definitely had to use MAC Fix Plus because it is kind of powdery in my opinion. So just an FYI if you have this palette. I don't know if that shadow has the same effect with you guys, but it ends up looking really nice with MAC Fix Plus. So for a little bit of extra glow, we're going to go in with the GLAMGLOW Glow Starter. The one that I'm using is Nude Glow, but there are 3 different shades. And this one has kind of a little bit of a champagne finish. It's just a little bit of a light moisturizer. I don't know, it's kind of like between a moisturizer and a highlighter, So we are going to go ahead and apply foundation. I am using the Peach Perfect Foundation from Too Faced with this 3D Beauty Blender from Sigma. I actually just got this and I really like it. It's actually pretty good. I do like the way that it's set up because it actually works out really nicely right on the inner corners. I am going to be taking a little bit of concealer from the Estee Lauder concealer, and this is the first time I was using it, so I was trying to be really light-handed with it because I was like, I know what the foundation is like, so I didn't know how heavy this was going to be, but I'm just going to blend it out, and then I'm going to set everything with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. I just featured this also in my drugstore haul, and I really liked it, so we're just going to go ahead and finish off the eyes. I am taking a white liner right on the inner corner to really enhance that blue and really make it pop, which you can see it really helps. And then we're just going to pop on that deeper blue right on the lower lash line and kind of blend it out, and then just apply a little bit of mascara, and we're done. So to finish off the rest of the face, we're going to go in with the Butter Bronzer, and we're just going to apply it all over the face. So to finish off this look, we're just going to apply a little bit of BECCA Opal to the high points of our cheek. I'm not going to be applying as much as I normally do just because my eyes are already pretty shimmery and I didn't want to take that away. So we're just going to finish off with that. And then once we get done doing that, you guys can definitely do two different options. You can do a nude lip, but of course, me being me and it being, you know, trying to be patriotic, I decided to go with a bright red lipstick. So we're going to be taking this lipstick by KARITY and we're just going to apply it, and there's the look. So thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe before you guys head out, and I will see you guys all in my next video, and I love you guys. Bye.